Welcome to this online class. I, Padmaja, taking your Political Science Chapter 3 Constitutional Designs. In this chapter, we are going to study what is a constitution. Now, constitution is a set of written rules accepted by the people. Why do we need this constitution? Because it generates a trust between citizens and the government. In this class, in this chapter, we are going to study the making of the constitution of two countries. One is South Africa and one is India. In this class today, we are going to study about the making of constitution of South Africa. To understand South Africa, we have to go to a little historical background. South Africa is in the southern region of Africa. Today's world, it is known as Republic of South Africa. It is near the equator. Now, here people are generally black in color because of the country is near to the equator. Now they were under the domain of British rule. The Britishers who were normally by color of the skin, they were whites. They were called as the whites, and people of Africa were called as blacks. Blacks included the native blacks plus the colored people who had come over there, come and stayed over there. Now white minority, that is a white government, dominated the black majority. They ruled over them, they made policies for them, and they controlled them. They used very harsh policies. They followed a policy of apartheid. Now what is apartheid? Apartheid is a official racial policy followed by the white minority over the black majority. Racial policy. Racial means the discrimination on basis of color. Racial discrimination and ill treatment was given to the blacks of Africa. Now in this, under this policy of apartheid, the blacks were forbidden to live in the colonies of whites. They were not allowed to enter the colonies of whites. They had their own school separate, they had their own toilet separate, they had their own transport separate, their own amusement park separate. In fact, it was such that they were not allowed in any political activities of this country, neither in the social activities. They were totally segregated. There was segregation everywhere. Now this was unjust and against humanity. People spoke about it. Nelson Mandela and his associates protested against the policy of apartheid. Many people protested under the umbrella organization of ANC. They protested against this. Because they protested, they raised their voice against it, they held demonstrations and strikes. Nelson Mandela and his 7 associates were imprisoned by the white minority government on the charges of betrayal and treason. They were sent to prison in Robben Island for 28 years. Nelson Mandela stayed there for 28 years because he raised his voice against the apartheid, which has been followed from 1948 till 1989. Many countries in the world declared this apartheid as unjust. Even UN condemned this policy. Because of the efforts of people, because of the efforts of the other countries, because of the efforts of UN, this ultimately apartheid policy was withdrawn in 1989 and Nelson Mandela was released in 1991. Later on, after 2 years of discussions and they decided to frame a constitution with only one motive, that forget the past and forgive the whites, because they were not against the whites, they were against the ideology of whites, that is apartheid. Under their constitution, we will study what are the features. Come. Under the features, South Africa, you can see constitution came into effect from 4th February 1997. Features, it speaks of both past and the future. It is also a charter for transformation of one country into which is truly shared by all its people, that is blacks, the whites, women and men. Every citizen has got equal rights and opportunities. This is a basic preamble or the features of the Constitution of South Africa. In today's class, I hope you understood. Do let me know, and if you have not understood, bring your doubts so we could clear it. In next class, we will be taking the making of Indian Constitution. Thank you.